This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes. I'm going to show you a really neat automatic way to convert foreign currencies to US dollars in Google Sheets using a special function and then compare prices. And let's get started. So we have a very simple price comparison sheet right here for these three parts, Part A, Part B, Part C, and the shipping cost. They're expressed in Chinese yuan and then also in New Taiwan dollars in this column here. And what I want to do is in this column here, I want to have the US dollar equivalent of these prices, and then in this column, the US dollar equivalent of the Taiwan prices. And you can see down here, I have some exchange rates. So this is US dollars versus to Canadian dollars. So 1 US dollar equals 1.4 Canadian dollars. Here's the reverse of that. 1 Canadian dollar equals 72 US cents. Here's the Taiwan dollar comparison, US to Taiwan dollar. So 1 US dollar equals 30.55 Taiwan dollars. And here's the reverse of that. A single Taiwan dollar is worth about 3 cents. And then here for Chinese yuan, I don't have anything yet. I'm going to show you how to do that. But basically, the way that this works is there's one thing I could do is I could just go online and kind of Google the current exchange rate and then copy and paste it over. And I used to do that, but now I use a much better way. It's called Google Finance. And basically what you can do using this very simple function is input any two values of currencies using kind of a standard 3-digit code that's used in international currency conversion, and then you can stick it in there. So here you can see I'm converting TWD to USD, and then it shows it automatically. If I want to do the same thing for Chinese yuan, or actually let's do US dollar to Chinese yuan first. I'm going to paste in that same function, and then I'm going to just change the values here. So instead of doing currency TWD USD, I'm going to do USD CNY, which is Chinese yuan. So 1 US dollar equals 7.12 Chinese yuan. I can go up and also I can change the currency symbol to Chinese yuan and apply that. Okay, and then here's going in the reverse, Chinese yuan to US dollar. So I'm going to, once again, just paste in that function and then just change the values from TWD to CNY and then USD. And let's see what happens here. So 1 Chinese yuan equals 14 US cents. Then all I need to do is I just go up here to the cell C2. So this is going to be the conversion of this value here. I'm going to type in equal to start the formula. I'm going to put in B2, which is the value of part A in Chinese yuan. I'm going to multiply it by the, let's see, that would be B13. So that is this value right here, the Chinese yuan to US dollar. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put a dollar sign in front of it, and basically what that means, if I put it in front of each one of the letters and numbers in the cell, is it fixes that particular value. So I can just use autofill all the way down. You can see that it's actually it's suggesting it. I'm going to accept that. So you can see here is part A in US dollar. So it's 50 Chinese yuan. It's about 7 US dollars, and then going down here. And then over here, I'm going to do the same thing, but instead of referencing this cell, which is CNY to USD, I'm going to reference this cell, which is TWD to USD. So let's see what happens here. So it's going to be the same value just to the left. So that is D2. And I'm going to multiply that by, that's going to be B11. So $B, $11. Press return. It's suggesting the autofill. And then, wow, now I can compare all the prices there. So this is really a good way to compare different currency values using this conversion using the Google Finance conversion. One other great thing about this is it's dynamic. That means it will automatically alter according to the time of day and what's going on in the international markets. And in fact, I was looking at this earlier and I saw that the US Taiwan dollar exchange rate was changing like right on the fly. So this will be reflected when I open up the sheet tomorrow. All of these values will change a little bit according to the currency exchange rates. So this is a really useful tool. I urge you to try it out for your own businesses or your own personal purposes. And basically the key to it is the Google Finance formula for converting currencies between two different types of currencies. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it, follow me, and I'll see you next time.